Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your Roku remote is in hand and the TV is awake on the home screen. Use the remote to open settings, then scroll to the TV screensaver or screensaver entry. This opens the control panel where the time to start lives. Once there, select that option to reveal available start delays and saver types. You do this now so you can change timing immediately, rather than hunting through unrelated menus later. Now choose the saver you want. Pick photos, artwork, or a slideshow so the TV shows what you expect. Move to the Start After control and pick a delay. Options typically include 1, 5, 10, 30 minutes, or never, so the screensaver activates at the timing you prefer. Make sure to preview the selected saver and timing. The preview confirms both how it looks and whether the start delay feels right. If it's good, you'll be ready to save and exit. Finish by confirming your selection so the change is applied immediately, then back out of settings. You can test by leaving the TV idle for the chosen interval or run the preview one more time to verify activation. If the screensaver won't start or timing won't stick, restart the Roku device and check System Update to ensure current firmware. If problems persist, try re-enabling the saver or setting a different delay to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.